It's time to turn up your net worth with Anthony. Magnetic networking strategies for today's leaders. Hi, I'm Anthony Abram, and Abundant Living is all about giving. So my friends and I came together to give you this free 4-part series designed to help you turn up your financial, physical, and spiritual net worth through magnetic networking. Starting Friday, March 14th at 12 noon Central, make plans to spend your lunch learning from dynamic thought leaders and trailblazers of life and business, guaranteed to grow your net worth. VIP guests include top performing business relationship builder Kevin Brock and niche marketing guru Joan Curtis, multi-talented entrepreneur and major event producer Brian Erickson, world-class home and business interior designer Nikki Clue, international servant leader and corporate executive Octavio Hinojosa Mier, master of cash flow generation and retention Cash Matthews, life branding and business success coach April Franks Hunt, and one of the world's great rainmakers, the most connected man in America, and one of the most connected people in the world, Peter Stropel. Sign up by visiting www.urbanandtoxic.com or search for our events on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Turn up your net worth and turn up your life. Turn up your life. Turn up your life.